Alright, what is going on, everyone? So today I'm here, another minimal unboxing. Last time I did a review, you guys really seemed to enjoy that. It was really helpful to a lot of people apparently. And today I'm going to be doing another one, so sort of like a back to school edition, I guess, like some good shorts, because that's what we're reviewing today. It's obviously in the title, from what you guys can tell. So I hope you guys will enjoy this video. I'm just going to help you all out. I'm going to review them, giving a rating, tell you guys what material they're made of, and then maybe show you guys some ways to style them, some things they match with, and yeah, we're just going to do that in this video. It's going to be a good review, so I hope you guys will enjoy that. By the way, this is not a sponsored video, because Minimal does not sponsor me, but you know, Minimal, if you see this, sure, I'd be down. Yeah, you know, just chill, sort of unboxing, gonna do a review. And yeah, hope you guys will enjoy. Be sure you guys subscribe if you're new, drop a like. Let's see if we can hit 200 likes in this video. That's a good goal. And you know, if this does well, let's see if we can hit 200 likes. You know, just, it's a goal. Thought I'd throw it out there. I haven't really put a goal in a while. So if you guys want to go for that, we can. But anyways, hope you guys enjoy. Let's get started. Okay, so I don't remember the name of the shorts I ordered, but it'll, you know, it's in the title, so you know, you guys will be able to see. But we actually didn't just get shorts. We got pants also, so we got two of the matching ones, and here they are. We got these red and white minimal shorts, pretty expensive, but hopefully they're good. And then we got the pants also to match them in the you know, red and black colorway, which is the most popular one for the shorts. It's actually sold out, matter of fact. But we're about to get into reviewing these. I think I'm gonna review the shorts first, and then I may review the pants after. The pants are more just like a winter thing, but yeah, I'm gonna be wearing them both for during the school year. We're gonna review these first though. Nice colorway choice, I personally think. And yeah, you guys can get them for cheaper if you find a discount code online. I just use Ari Petrou's discount code. It was like Ari10 or something. Yeah, shout out to Ari. Just, you know, that's a discount code you guys can use. Okay, so we're gonna open this up. Here they are. These are the shorts. I got them in a small, if I'm correct. Yeah, small, and it looks like they're gonna fit me pretty much perfectly, which I'm super glad about, super hyped about that. You know, again, just a regular minimal tag, nothing crazy. But this looks really good actually, the red and white. The material, it's like, you know, like some running shorts. Okay, I was gonna grab my running shorts, but I don't have them. But yeah, it's like the same material, sort of like water resistant. And you know, there's like a inside, it's just like, you know, mesh, sort of right there, as you guys can tell. But the quality in these is looking pretty solid. You got some long drawstrings right there. So you know, yeah, obviously I recommend wearing these, you know, with like a red t-shirt. That'd probably look decent, a white t-shirt, something like that. Just not with like a, I don't know if this is good decent with like a black t-shirt, like with what I'm wearing. This looks sort of goofy, I'm be 100% honest. But yeah, you know, we got the you know, this sort of like adjustable, so you can stretch it out like all the way out to here or like in. So that's a really good part of it. And you know, they're sort of like swim trunks. I'd probably swim in these maybe. Okay, I don't know. But you know, right here we also got a back pocket, which is convenient. But it doesn't close, so you know, things could fall out. So I'd recommend putting them in, well, there actually isn't any side pockets, which is a bit inconvenient, but you know, they got the pocket back here, so you don't need to worry about that. So pretty good shorts, I'd say. And you know, for the price, we're just gonna test the quality of them, see how comfy they are, because they were like 40 something bucks. So these hopefully will be worth it, and I'm gonna try them on, test them out, and I'll get back in a minute. Okay, so I'm not gonna do like a voiceover like I did last time. I changed shirts because the white goes better with like the stripe, you know, running down both sides. And this actually looks good because this tee is definitely big on me, sort of oversized, just like, you know, the point thing. But basically, you know, the drawstrings run down to here, it's pretty nice. These are actually super comfortable. I thought I'd point that out. Like, these are actually really comfy, so shout out to Minimal. The price is actually worth the comfort because these are extremely comfortable. I could use them as swim trunks, but you know, these would get wet. You know, I don't want to do that. You know, these are actually super comfy, and you know, they're perfect like on the knee. Like the sizing is really good. I'm 5'8", and so I'm 5'8". I got a size small, and it fits literally perfect. So if you're 5'8", a size small is gonna work for you. If you're like 6 feet or like 6'1", you're gonna want to go with like a medium. That's why I would recommend. So a small is really good for my size. But these are super comfortable. I'm gonna give these like a 9 out of 10 because the only thing that I'm not a huge fan is like these are super long. I mean, I'm personally not a fan of super long drawstrings, but they're fine. But other than that, you know, like maybe the pocket could have like something like the clip on the back so like things wouldn't fall out. That's the only two things that are really negative about them. But other than that, these are actually amazing. These are super good. But yeah, these are incredibly comfortable. Like these are really, really comfy. Like these are definitely gonna be some video school wear around everyday shorts because they're really comfy. But moving on from these really well-fitting, super comfortable shorts. Also pretty, I like the stripe personally because it matches my shirt. And actually red goes good with white. So it's just, you know, it works out. They chose the right colorway. So moving on from those shorts, definitely gonna be wearing those more in future videos, vlogs, just to everywhere. They're gonna be more wear around shorts. We got some track pants, as they like to call them. Like, you know, track pants is a relative term of streetwear because they're not really like track pants, just more like wear around shorts. But we're gonna try these on. We're gonna see how comfy they are. They are a bit heavy in my hand right here. But I think that means they're made of really good material like cotton and just polyester. So we're gonna see, but I think these are gonna be comfy, hopefully comfier than the shorts. So the shorts are already super comfy. I'd love to have some good winter pants, so let's see about this. Okay, so opening this up, I already can tell these have super long drawstrings, but that's not like, again, it's not like a concern. But here they are. I got a size small, so obviously, you know, again, it should fit me well. And yeah, you know, they are a bit big, I guess, but you know, it's fine. Like they go like longer at the bottom, but they have like zippers right there. Here, like I'll try and show you all them. We got typical like zippers we'd have in like the bottoms right here. Like that's a very common thing nowadays. And also the red and white's super dope. Like look at that. We got like the ribbing is red and white, and then it runs down the side as well. And we got pockets, some good pockets, like some good zipper pockets. And the drawstring, look at this drawstring. So we got one that's like super whack right now. You know, we obviously fixed that. But you know, that's just like an error, but you know, we'll fix that. But we're gonna try these on. Okay, so stepping on here, yeah, I'm wearing a black t-shirt because it matches these. They're not that tight. They're actually, you know, sort of regular fit. They fit really nice. And again, I got the drawstrings sort of fixed, so positive there. Good. But then also, you know, the red and black go well together. They also match this t-shirt. And you know, I'll link everything down below. I may even link like some t-shirts like this down below. It's a Supreme one, so I'm gonna have to look on like Grail old StockX. I may do that, but definitely gonna link these minimal shorts down below. I may link like some discount codes from other YouTubers so you guys can get discounts, because of course, you know, I don't have one, but you know, I'm always trying to help other people out so they can get their money, because you know, YouTube and things like that, you know, advertisers, blah blah. Some people get affected by that. I'm luckily not one of those, but enough of that discussion. We got the red and black that fits well. These zippers are actually sort of cool. I think they go a nice touch, because these ones down by the heel, I thought these were going to fit big, but they actually don't. Like look, down by my beautiful feet, they fit perfectly. So that's another good thing. And you know, just it looks good all together. Definitely gonna wear this to school. Again, the only thing I really complain about is the long drawstrings, and you know, this is a bit annoying, like this little line right here, but other than that, you know, it's all fine. I'm probably gonna give these like an 8.5 out of 10, just because, you know, I don't know, just like these drawstrings are a bit off, but you know, I can fix that. It's not a big deal. These are really comfortable again, and you know, I'm not like, I feel like these zippers are pretty good, but like look, it gets stuck a bit when zipping already, so that's the only thing I really give it 8 out of 10 for. Other than that, they're solid. Anyways, hope you guys did enjoy this review. Both pretty good, so 8.5 out of 10 on the sweatpants. They're good, and the shorts are really good also. For the price, I would say both are worth it. They fit nicely. Again, I'm 5'8", and I got a small in both of these. So small is the size for someone that's probably like 5'9" or under. And then if you're above 5'9", I'd recommend going with the medium. Sorry if you're like 5'10", 5'11", you're probably gonna have trouble finding like the good in between size. I've been stuck there before. Small for 5'8" and under is pretty good, I would say. But you know, if you're like 5'5", you may have trouble finding the size. But they have like extra small, so like if you're 5'5", they got extra small. But if you're 6'1", 6'5", you're definitely gonna want to go with that large and extra large. I'm not gonna be 6'5", clearly, but I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe below. I'll do more stuff like this in the future, especially if Minimal sees this, that'd be dope. But also drop a like. Let's see if we get 200 likes in this review. And yeah, just hope you guys did enjoy it. Just, you know, I'm just trying to help you all out and give you guys some good reviews. And yeah, I guess long drawstrings are the thing now. But yeah, just thank y'all for watching. Sorry for my hair, just showered, but yeah, peace out. Okay, so I forgot to say this. I should have said it, but basically be sure you guys subscribe. And the reason is because I'm doing a giveaway at 20K. So if you guys want to stay up to date, just subscribe and have notifications on. So when I hit 20K, I'm gonna post like a video. It's gonna be a regular video. I'm just gonna like start a giveaway, and you guys are gonna be able to enter in that. It's gonna be a really good giveaway, and maybe a collaboration giveaway. It may just be a me giveaway, giving away. I just said give away so much in one sentence, but just it's gonna be a really good one. You guys are gonna enjoy it, and I'm gonna be giving you guys something for free. It's gonna be a good item, not like just something regular. Like it's 20,000. It's a big number. It's not like 100K. I know like people are like, oh, 20K is not that much, but to me it is. I thank every single one of y'all for that. So just stay subscribed for the giveaway. It will be coming soon, and you know, you guys have been showing mad love lately, so it's gonna be coming. That's why I'm saying coming soon. You know, just it's gonna be here sooner, I think, hopefully. But just thank y'all for the love. Is constantly I give them back. I love every single one of y'all, and peace out.